Hi everyone, I'm your instructor Naim Khan. This is my video about functions in C++ language. So basically, what is functions? So basically, a function is a bunch of statement you can use in one functions. Okay, in simple words, you can create once and do more with functions. Okay, so now let's get started with an example. Okay, so first of all, now here you can see this is a function, okay, which is main function here. Okay, so basically now, as you know, we already created much more programs in my previous videos in main functions. Okay, so basically we can create our own function as well in C++. So in this video I will create my own function. Okay, but before that I will show you int mean here. Okay, so basically now here you can see I typed here like int. Okay, so basically int mean this is return type. Okay, so now here you can see I typed here return 0. Basically I'm not returning at this time any values. If you wanna create calculation programs, you wanna get your value back, you can use return value int with functions. Okay, so if you don't want to return any value, you can use void keyword with, so void keyword and the function name. Okay, so I will create void function. Okay, I will create function with void keyword. Okay, so I will type void and then I will type my function name. Okay, so I'll name it like show. You can type any name whatever you want. Okay, so I typed here like show. In between I can create my function and I can create multiple statement and multiple variables as well. Okay, but first of all I will create one statement. So I will say this is my own function. Okay, and I will use end line as well, and now I will use another statement here. Okay, so I will say this is my another own function. Okay, and then end line. So I will save this file and I want to use this. I created, now basically you can see I created my own function which is show. The name of this function show. I want to use this function. Okay, so because I created this function now, and after that we have to call this function as well, so I'll call it this function in my main function. Okay, so just you have to type, you don't need to type this two statement here. Okay, just you can type function name. So my function name is show and parenthesis and semicolon end of the statement. So basically this is my function I called here. Okay, and now I declared here, basically I created here my function and I will call this function here, and then I will save this file and then go to the build and run button, click on that, and after that you can see this is my own function, this is my another own function, so it's printed out my function. Okay, but problem is that if you want to create large programs, you need these two statement again. Okay, for that, for example, if you don't create functions, so for at that time you have to type this two statement as well again. Okay, so when you are creating functions, we don't need to write this two statement again and again. Okay, we can just call the function, like I will call it again, and now I will call it again and again. Okay, when I will save this file, so when I will click on build and run button, now here you can see it's called. Okay, like now here you can see there is 3 time function is calling on my console application, because I printed, I say here you have to print out 3 times my function. Okay, so you don't need to write these two statement again and again, just call the function, it will do same job for us. Okay, so that was quick tutorial about how to work with function in C++ language. So I will see you in next video. Okay, thanks, bye.